Heyo. It's Friday. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. What's up, Kevin? Good morning. Rodri, the very majestic snow leopard. What's up? Started long on likes this stream. Started long on the likes on this stream. We'll be looking to add to the position when we break 100 viewers. Careful adding to your positions. But I think if we break 100 viewers, we're definitely gonna hit 150 psych level. What's up, Brian? How you doing? Miguel, good morning. Eddie, Mr. Bond. Talk to you later. What's up? Rachel Galata, happy Fresh Like Friday. Looks like I left before the fun started yesterday. Hello. Miguel, I ended the stream right before the fun started too, actually. But yeah, there's some pretty sweet. You know, I was wanting shorts all day yesterday. All morning I was looking for the bigger move short. And well, you know, we got it. It's a very, very sweet move. So we put in a nice red candle on the daily, which I am, that's what I wanted to see that. So to me, that's good. Nice, healthy pullback. Today we do have Jackson Hole, Symposium or whatever with, what's his face? J-Pow. And that's at the top of the hour. And so we might see some volatility. We also have U.S. home sales at 9. So far this morning, though, we bounced about halfway or so of this daily candle. Yeah, to the tick halfway. Look at that. Well, maybe a few ticks off, but very close to the halfway of this daily candle. On a smaller time frame, where are we at? Yeah, that was literally like 5 points or so from the halfway mark of that daily candle yesterday. Anyway, what happened was I ended the stream. I was like, well, you know, up 170 bucks or whatever. It was good trading, but it was a little disappointing that the P&L didn't really reflect that. And so I was like, well, I'll shut it down here. About halfway through the combine, I opened my personal account and, you know, got the short move I wanted, made a nice bag on my personal account, which is, it's a small sized account. And then I was like, well, we're getting nice movement. I'll open up the combine again. So I closed down my personal account, opened up the combine. Well, I tried catching the bounce that we had. I got chopped to pieces, man. It was another big L on the combine. So I should have just left it alone like I said I was going to do. Tisk. So, $1,300 left of drawdown. It was just terrible. I just fumbled the bag. It was obnoxious. So, yeah, this is nothing I can't bounce back from. But it was just stupid. So that's what happened. What's up, Grizz? Lavish. Golden, how y'all doing? Pietro, what's up? Don, if I didn't say good morning to you, what's up? We got about a minute till the market opens. Got some supply overhead, 803. So let's see if we tap into that on the opening candle like we did yesterday. We tapped into supply and moved lower. Let's see if we something like that can play out. Obviously, this bit of an uptrend on the smaller time frame that we've been working with. On like almost every time frame, I would call it a uptrend, but what's up, Dan? Go short fast. Should I just set a sell order as supply at 800? Set a sell order at 800, so if we tap into that, I'll sell short. Dang, it's way up. We're pretty far. We're 50 points away from that. Oh, sorry guys. Forgot to ring the bell. Markets are open though, so. Again, didn't have my soundboard plugged in because I had a hard drive plugged in instead. I'll give you guys a belated bell ring there. All right, so moving lower here off the open, we have the pivot right underneath. That's about 726. There it is. We got VWAP right below that. Let's see if we break this little uptrend here. Wouldn't mind buying off the trend line, to be honest. ES did tap VWAP. All right, there's NQ's VWAP. Yeah, Jasper, maybe you should have just taken your advice there. This, guys, look at this. This is what's known as a fair value gap. Okay, this means something, okay? This means it's a gap where price was fair and now it's not. So since we rejected the fair value gap, we have to wait for displacement and obviously some manipulation and then a change of character, and then we short, targeting buy side liquidity. We have fun. We have fun. Yeah, there's something about soup in there too. I don't know what. I guess if you skip lunch, then the market turns into lunch. I don't know. Yeah, it's big brain shit. Trading your main source of income at the moment? No, it's not. Someday, my friend, someday. Then it becomes unfair, yeah. You know what? I think the market starts unfair. In the middle, it's unfair, and then at the end, it's also unfair. As long as I'm losing, it's unfair. Nice VWAP tap on both indices here. I do think patience will be important today. It is every day, but you know, when we have Powell at an important event, I think there's some Q&A involved after his remarks, so. What are we doing here? This is like kind of not, I mean, I'm on the 5 minute, but geez, we're just, VWAP did slow down price here, and ES is establishing some decent support off of it. I don't know. I mean, I'm down for the, I'd be glad for the market to move down. I still have Q puts I'm swinging. I've been swinging for several weeks now. And those went from massive profits. You know, I sold half, and then the remaining 2 are sitting underwater pretty heavily. But I do have time on the contract, so. Anyways, I wouldn't mind just working our way higher first. But I'll go with the momentum. I do not use the Dom to find entries. No, I just use it to place orders. But I'm not reading it or anything really. It's too fast. What's up, Joe? How you doing? Yeah, Powell talks 10 Eastern. Yeah. See, right now we're entering a 1 minute fair value gap, which is a gap of price being fair. They moved straight through it, and then the buyers were like, "Hey, stop it! That's not fair. Stop. Wait. Let me get on this. Let me buy." And the seller's like, "Wait, I also didn't get my sell order in. That's also unfair." And so then there's a gap. See how that works? Pretty cool. Hope that clears it up for you. When people talk about time, it's always Eastern. I talk about it more Central just because I'm Central. I mean, CME, Chicago. I mean, CBOT, Chicago Board of Trade. I mean, Chicago's pretty relevant, especially for futures, but most people do talk in Eastern. Do you play chess, Golden? No. I mean, I know how to, but my brother was a big chess player. And it's not really fun when you're a kid and your dad and your brother both just beat you at chess all day long. It kind of like doesn't really, you don't even have a chance to, it's not even fun for a second. So no, I'm not a chess player. What's 1OP saying? So the 1OP, I like to, right off the open, it's still in a cycle from yesterday. So I like to give it a little bit of time to figure out what it's doing. So rejecting this trend line we've had all morning so far. Let's see if we just slide back into the top of the range or reject and slice through VWAP and then come down to 60s. Did not hit your trend line yet, Joe? It's definitely tapped mine. I'll try a short here. Why not? Let's put a little risk on the table. The top one? Are you talking about this? I'll just stop out. If it wants to pop. You like the wicks? You like the top of the candle to the wick? Or these bodies? To me, it does look like it does want to pop up here, so. Yeah, the bodies. Like, that's not very good. Might kill this trade, actually. I'm gonna take that off, actually. It does look like to me it wants to pop here. What's up, free paper cuts? What was the indicator Carmen used in the second challenge with the heat map? You talking about bookmap? He uses bookmap. It's like a separate application. What's up, Softy? How you doing? Did you manage to get a payout now? And when can we expect a new video? I know it's been a while. I haven't done one all summer. I do want to do, so I do love making the videos. You know, I don't want it to be filler. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure when I'll do a new video. You know, I had the 0 to 10K challenge. I thought it was really fun. And I started, you know, I was doing that last year. I did a part 2 in the winter. And I thought it was really good. I thought it was interesting. But it's not just, it wasn't like pure trading, which is, I know my channel has turned into a trading channel. So it didn't really get the viewership that to me makes it worth my time. You know, like if the majority of people that watch my channel want to watch trading stuff, I don't want to give them non-trading. You want to give the people what they want. But like that being said, like I was making good progress in it. And I started documenting all these other stuff where I started doing trading and trading options and stuff. And I was making some good progress. And then like when I put out that part 2 and it didn't really, people weren't really watching, I was like, okay, maybe I'll just ditch this. So I don't know. I could do a part 3, but I don't know if that's what people want. All right, so we did pop. I do want to see a short now. This does look to me like it's setting up for a nice slice. So maybe it sweeps into 47s, 46s first. Maybe not, but could be a good short on the table here. Post the part 3 and see how it goes. Well, I still have to do more work in the part 3, and I still have to edit the entire thing. So it's like, you know, there's some work involved. Joe, I feel like you might be okay here. This looks like it might just, you might get a little momentum. Let's see. I'm gonna pop in short again here now that we did push a little higher. My lower target is all the way down in the 60s. I don't know if that's too far for this morning or not. We did have maybe some 80 support. Maybe the better target is just to grab a bag around 85. Something like that. Bruno, what's up? Chris, I'm with Topstep. I am now exclusively with Topstep. Made the decision. You know, Topstep wanted like their affiliates, people that talk about them. They wanted them to be exclusively talking about Topstep. They didn't want people that promote Topstep to also promote Apex or whoever else, that some other company that they don't really agree with or like. So Topstep's been my favorite, so I decided just to stick with them. So I am now, as of today, I believe, Topstep exclusive. So VWAP is still holding. Like, how about that wick? Come on, baby. Break it. Break stuff. Yeah, I have had that issue, Shangdi. Do not take any more trades yet until you can make sure you get rid of that error. So go to File, Disconnect, and then File, Connect again. And just make sure that you disconnect and reconnect, and then in your account settings, also click this refresh button in the top, this little, looks like recycle kind of button. Click the refresh button up there too, just to make sure, because I've had issues where it's placed orders for me. I killed this trade here first, you know, around break even, tiny profit there. I don't like the support put in the higher low on ES. I will ask Topstep if they will do like a giveaway. I don't know if they do that or not. Like I know they do that on their channel, but I'll ask if they can do something for my audience like that. You're being a weirdo and holding. Joe, you're doing what I do. Usually I hold, take a stop out, and you're like, I'm flat for -$5, and I'm like, oh, I just lost 600. I just don't like ES here. Like, you know, I don't really like that. And the wick down to VWAP on NQ, it just makes me a little skeeved. Maybe it just takes a little bit longer though. That's gonna chop lower. Yeah, okay. Maybe I can get in higher. Topstep have rules against trading news? No, you can trade news. we might get the push. But right now it's a double bottom, and ES is a higher low. So I don't want to be again married to the short side here. Yeah, we know Grizz can easily clap back from a $500 loss and be up $2,000 by the end of the day. I can't believe Joe still has a regular job. We gotta take meetings. Why don't you just buy the company and say no more meetings during the morning session? Not a regular job? Okay. It's your own business or something. Jasper, cool it with the liquidity talk. Come on. You should change his username to not your average Joe. Just that's free. You can have that one. All right, there's a little push higher. When Joe has a date with his girlfriend, he's like, "All right, guys, I got a meeting." He calls his girlfriend. "All right, guys, I got a meeting. I gotta step out for a minute." All right, push higher. I like to push higher. I mean, it makes sense. Let's go grab some liquidity. That's not Grizz's, Jasper. Let's go grab some liquidity. What do we like here? Obviously, we got pre-market highs right up there in the 80s. We have this daily supply zone overhead too, which I wouldn't mind checking out, you know. So Brian Long, nice. I think the long side can pay. On NQ, I'd probably want to get in around the 43. Personally. We do have about 10 minutes until it was new home sales and then JPOW. Push. I like this retest the trend line there on ES. That's pretty clean. I might be going back under. Tapped what, 44 on this candle? It's pretty good. ES looks, or sorry, NQ looks a little poppy to me. Sweep overnight, sweep at the very least opening range high, and then get into overnight. Okay, I got filled long here. What's up, Griffin? How you doing? Get this trade about 14 points. Crazy moments and wins. What's up? Very close to stop out here. It looks like it's going to get me. There it is. Felt like it was worth a shot. Any chance for some football parlay challenges this session? Football? This session? When's the season even start? Don't we have like another 2 weeks till the season starts? Dang, I think I got bottom ticks here. I want to get back in long personally, but fuck, no. I hate that. I was trying to give it enough room. Given underneath these trend lines here, under this wick. I don't know, I guess it needed a little bit more. Let's find that annoying. Oh, this season. Well, I'm not good at developing my own parlays, really. Like last year, I was following this one guy. I haven't followed him at all lately. I don't know if he's any good anymore, but he's on Twitter. Dan Gamble AI was his name. Dan Gamble AI on Twitter. He's who I was looking at. And I definitely won money following his picks. So, oh man, this stop out is so annoying, man. Sometimes you just gotta give these more room than you think. An old Nazi here. Yeah, Dan Gamble AI. Again, I haven't followed his picks since, NFL playoffs last year, and he does other sports. But you think y'all get Brandon Ayuk? No, I don't think so. I think it's been too much drama. I don't really want someone with causing that much drama, to be honest. I mean, he's good. I mean, I wouldn't mind having a great receiver, but it's just been a whole thing, like, I don't know, just come on. Yeah, I think he's staying put. All right, I think now's the time to push and sweep. Darius, good luck to you. Got about 4.5 minutes till top of the hour. Again, got Pal at Jackson Hole and new home sales. I still want to be long. Just, jeez. I'm just mad it came back and got me, you know. But I still think the long's gonna play out. I think we're gonna get all the way up to 800 first before we move lower. I'm gonna try it up here. I normally don't like to buy high like that, but let's see here. Let me figure out my stop. No, I don't. FFFs. I don't. I'm not chasing. I mean, I don't see this as chasing. It's not like it's a crazy move or anything. Almost every time I add a reverse assist on, hey, that's me, my trading in a nutshell. I'm fine with this entry. I do feel like being this close to the opening range high and overnight highs makes a lot of sense to push through and sweep it before we move lower. So that's what I'm shooting for. Yeah, and so yeah, I do have to sit in some drawdown. I'd much rather buy down here to enter, obviously, but sometimes we get the breakout without the retracement, and then you're sitting on the sidelines. So. I'm actually like dangerously close to maximum loss on this combine now that I look at it. I'm just having a little bit more wiggle room. So yeah, let's bounce off this trend line, stay a little farther away from that. Make me nervous now that I look at my balance. My max loss in this account is 150,000. So I do need to be aware of that. Well, don't do that. Got about a minute and change till news. I would like us to get closer to my entry here. I'm not very comfortable in this. I might kill it. If I don't get stopped out here, I might kill it before top of the hour. Knowledge, Grizz. That's, what's his face? Ty Lopez. Knowledge. So that's when max losses break even on the account. I agree. Volume is really trash right now. People want J-Pow to give him some news. Oh man. If it's oh shit. Like I was saying, if it's volatile like that, it can slap me out really fast. This is before news even, so I was worried this was going to happen, and then we pump higher without me in it. That's what I was about to say, and then it did it. So, yeah, watch out for news, guys. That'll get you. And we pump higher. Ready? Yeah, without me. It's just annoying because that's target acquired. And that's a bottom tick stop. I mean, fuck me. Okay. If you're going to go trade into news and you're okay with the risk, you have to give it some room, because it will flash lower really fast like that and get some stops before the pump higher. I was close to max loss on the combine, so that's why, I mean, I had to keep it kind of tight. But if I wanted to stay in that, it also happened a little bit before the top of the hour, which I wasn't expecting. It happened like 10, 15 seconds before the top of the hour. So, yeah, always very risky going to news, and you can't be surprised when it gets you. So it's annoying, but that's part of it. So. How's the news though? It doesn't matter. I mean, Fed's pal, the time has come for policy to adjust. Blah, blah, blah. They're expecting Fed rate cuts. I mean, I feel like this shit's priced in. Well, nice rips. I just hate that. It happened a little early, and Powell maybe hit the stage a little early. I don't know, but that stop out to me is one that haunts you. I'm gonna replay that back off stream. Watch that. I mean, it's my own fault. It's frustrating. You know, I don't blame the market for losses. I'm 100% at fault in cases like that. It doesn't really make it less frustrating though. Joe, did you catch that move? I don't know if you can hear right now. If you're on a call or whatever, but I'm assuming you caught something there. So GG's. All right, so what do we like for re-entries or like pullbacks? I like this level here. Where are we at? We're right around there. Okay. I don't have. I have $200 left in this. I'll reset it probably if I shit the bed on this here. All right, so stop out here will be buy this count, which would suck because man, it started off really nice. You know, I was up $7,000 on it, and then I just blew it all away in like 2 days. I gotta just be a little bit more disciplined with it. It's not super small. I mean, five micros is still a good payday. And then it gives me another trade, you know. But it looks like this is it. It might have, yeah, there it goes. All right. Really fumbled the bag on that combine, guys. Not proud of it. Be better than me. That's my advice. Nice retracement. Holy crap. Excuse me. Nice little dip down to 70 and a little buy up here. 40-point buy up real quick. This is getting volatile. Pretty volatile. Don't feel like you have to trade it just because it's moving. This is news-driven stuff. Danced on Windows XP. I told you I love Windows XP. It's a great platform. This is option stalker is what you're seeing here. I had to, in order to reset, I do have to log out. And Topstep's dashboard's been so slow lately. There we go. Dang, a buy signal was... Pete's been creating the new signals for option stalker, and they're pretty sick, honestly. There's been some really good ones. Anyway, that's beside the point here. I look like an angel with a nice Windows background. Topstep has almost every platform. Topstep hooks you up now? No, I gotta pay for that. It's $149 I just paid for it. I'm gonna ask him to hook me up because, come on. Who is it? Was it Miguel? Miguel are in Topstep VIP program? I want to be in the VIP program. You get like a couple free resets and stuff. They gotta hook me up, man. But no, I freaking had to pay for that. Alrighty. Alrighty. We're back in business like nothing ever happened today. Let's go. Let's try this again, fellas. And the two ladies in chat. I feel like this is still bullish. Like, I think we still have a move up. 900s. I think Rachel's too busy. We're in pre-production for a short film that she wrote and is directing, and it's a lot. It's gonna be a big old production. It's pretty exciting, but there's a ton of work to do. So she's just like nonstop busy. What's up, Andre? How you doing? It's going pretty good. I've had some really great trades and then some just undisciplined trading. So overall though, like I have been having some really nice trades. So I don't want to just be down on myself. You know, my real money account is up, which is nice. I've had some great trades on that. It's just the combine, I get a little too loose with it, you know? I need to hone in on that and just not goof around with it and just be a little bit more serious. Jasper, yeah, you did miss something, buddy. If you weren't watching when news came out, then yeah, you missed something. Whoa, I'm loaded up with 5. Okay, that's cross trading. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, we knew Grizz would be back in business. Well done. Well done, Grizzled. Yeah, I like the little retest here. This highs. Does feel still risky to buy up here. I think there's still some nice. I mean, look, we have a lot of chop going, like what we just rejected off of. It's a lot of little consolidation from yesterday. But if we get the momentum, we can obviously pop through it. I want to buy down there. I just would rather get filled with limit. All right, we'll try a long here. Yeah, you know, last year I did treat the combine like real money, and sometimes it works to my benefit, sometimes it doesn't. And yeah, like Golden saying, just kind of gamble a little bit, go heavy, and just try to get out of there. I also agree with that too. I see the both sides. Like if you can get payouts, if you feel like you can trade well enough to get payouts with real, you know, with good trading afterwards, then yeah, sure, go ahead and get out of the combine. Like just if you have to pay for a few resets, just go ahead and go heavy and get out of there. I think that's reasonable. Like I think if you were at where I was at last year, which to me was like a little red probably after trading with commissions and everything, like you have a lot of. Then I think if you spend some time in the combine and you take it seriously, like it'll make you a better trader with very limited risk. Whereas if you're not there yet and you're still like not a consistent trader, you're gonna pay for activation fees and you're gonna spend more money trying to get real payouts, and it's just not gonna be good. So Joe, how you doing? Did you catch a nice piece on that Powell pump? Nice, Joe. I have seen that book, How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz. I've seen it. I haven't read it or anything. I don't know anything about the guy. Does he day trade for a living? I mean, I hope so. Still like longs. Seems pretty strong. Seems like buyers are interested in these prices. So I would not be surprised to get back to 20K today, unless something happens with Powell and stuff. Unless he says something to splash some cold water on the market here. But yeah, I think we got another 100 points up. Got to buy stuff above those highs. So you probably got close to. Oh, it did fill you. Okay. Look at these. Look at the 5-minute, man. Look at these freaking wicks. It's getting gross. That's skeeving me out, man. Jasper, do not make me put you in timeout, sir. Tom, you shorted that? Oh, you shorted gold. Nice. And the market goes down again. Well, you got bottom of trend line and VWAP right here. I'd probably put in a buy order around here. 53. If we get the push, it's just way down here. Whoa. I'd probably look to buy here. Maybe we don't get the push. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the swing low. Snow Leopard, you enjoying this volatility? Look, I'm all about shorting, but I don't know. Let's put in. We could get a little head and shoulders action here, which would be nice. You know, maybe we can move up around 50s, all the way to 60, and then we can move lower. But I think I still like the long side here, though. Yeah. So I just want to get filled down here though. I don't know. It's tempting to take a move down to VWAP on the short, but yeah, we just had some really fast buying, so I don't really want to do that. I mean, those are pretty big candles for a 1 minute. 50 point candle there, 66 point candle there. So yeah, let's look for this drop. Drop to, I'm looking for a 59 fill. I might raise it like a point or two. 61.5 maybe. There's a chance we burn it down like yesterday because Friday and lots of people in profit. Yeah, maybe people are taking profit. And screw over some late retail buyers. Well, I really am hoping we don't push highs right here from here. I really want us to test lower, get me in, because I do want to be long. Really would like to see this put in a head and shoulders and drop for a minute. Why not short it then go long? Because I'm not confident that we're going to get the move lower. And where would I stop out? High a day? I don't even have a good entry for a short. I'd probably just get boned over and I'd rather just be in long, you know? I think it's better to stick with your overall bias so you're that way you're not... When you try to carve out the market, that can work well in a range and stuff, but if it's a strong day directionally, then you're going to get run over and it's just going to be like... It's not going to be worth your emotional capital. Oh, man. I don't know, man. I don't know if we're going to get that move lower. Sounds like Tom's having a good time with gold. Caught the short than the long. Something like that. Tom. Yeah, you get run over and then someone like me will say you're the liquidity. Yeah. We're starting a 1OP bullish cross, so to me that makes me favor the long side for sure. So maybe I just have to... the problem is you get in on a break high. We have 4-hour supply. The support resistance level is probably not crazy relevant. But I don't really like going long right in front of supply, so I'm going to try to be really patient here, see if I can get a better entry. We are going up though. The question is where can I get in long? Come on. Explode. What's up, Chris? How you doing? You're waiting for a better entry as well. Smart. I don't know if we're going back down, guys. To me, it looks like it wants to pop still. I know it looks a little double toppy, but also it looks bull flaggy, so I think we pop it. If you have to ask Jasper, I'd say no. This is just a 150K combine baguette. With Topstep, when you get an XFA, it puts your balance at 0. So if I had 150K in an Express account, that would mean I made 150K in profit, which would be pretty sick, and they would shove me into a live account. Yeah, this looks pretty bullish to me. I kind of just wanted to buy it, I guess. I don't know. At the very least, I feel like I can move to break even pretty fast. Whoops. Let's see if we get one more before. No. Yeah, I think I missed it. Yeah, there it goes. Sheet. Just one of those days. We don't get filled. Nice, Brian. Can you like Topstep the Motorwave? Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. You can when you buy a Topstep account, you can select Motorwave as the platform. It's very easy to log in on Motorwave with Topstep. Okay, so we did sweep highs and tapped into 900. So we could pull back off here a little bit. Again, I think we're gonna move to 20,000. But if I can't make money off that analysis, what's the point? Whoop-de-doo. I need a Motivate promo code. Well, I do have an affiliate link with them, and you get a free trial too. But yeah, I don't have any special code. I wish they would hook me up with like a discount for everybody here. I don't. They don't really talk to me, so I don't know. You think they would? I don't think there's. I haven't seen another live streamer that uses Motivate, and honestly, I barely even heard of the platform before I started using it. So you think? I feel like I bring a lot of good publicity to Motivate, so you think they would be like, "Hey, man, let's chat." But no, they don't. I never hear that from them. So honestly, that's probably why they're not a very dominant platform. Not because they're not awesome, but because they're not good at utilizing people like me. Parker, thanks for joining as a member. Appreciate it. Enjoy your green name and my undying gratitude. What's up, Sean? Also a member? I don't know if I knew that. All right, trade's going. Well, I did reset this 150K. I got bottom ticked on the news here. Literally, bottom ticked on my long. Yeah. Well, if you switch to Motorway because of me, I hope you like it. I honestly love it. And it was like a kind of I'm always hesitant to try a new platform. You know, it's always like kind of a pain. Got to learn new menus, learn new chart stuff, and have it set up how you like it. But to me, Motorway was pretty easy to do that. And I like the trading controls, you know, like the only thing I don't like is I want like a right click buy. I want to be able to right click limit buy. I could go to trade, but then it's like, okay, OCO, maybe this will fit. Maybe I'll figure it out right now on stream, but stop. If I do that, see, it doesn't put my, like, I want to just be able to right click and add my normal bracket order like right down here instead of scrolling down on the DOM. But I don't know the fastest way to do that. OCO. See, I want OC, maybe a limit order. I'm worried it's gonna fill me here. Oh, just doing limit, and then it automatically. Okay, well, I guess I'm happy then. I just learned something new on stream. If you do limit, it'll attach your bracket. If you have it turned on, so that's cool. Okay, well, I'm happy now. Yeah. Okay, so a little sweep higher, move lower now, off of 900. I'm watching, I mean, we have this little uptrend. Joe, you're looking for VWAP 80s probably then? So obviously we need to snap this little uptrend. Yeah, you can press the paperclip. I do love the paperclip option. I haven't seen that on any other platform. I love that. It's my favorite thing. Because sometimes I delete the orders by accident, my resting orders, my bracket orders. And I'm like, shit. And I can just click the paperclip. What's up, Midnight? How you doing? You catch any of this move so far? Or have you stayed on the sidelines? Whoops. Okay, you know what? Also, speaking of MotiveWave stuff, guys, one thing I found that I did by accident was I had multiple drawings selected, like all my supply and demand, I think, and I accidentally did that, and then I moved one drawing, and it moved everything, and then when I hit undo, I don't think it moved everything back. It just moved back the one drawing. I don't know if anyone else has ever done that, but it was just like, it didn't mean to move more than one. I moved two like this, then I undo, and then it just moves the one. Isn't that weird? So that can screw you up. Does MotiveWave have a monthly fee? You can do. You can buy it outright. I already paid mine off last year. Nice, Midnight. You traded the Powell News on eval, passed in one trade on my XFA, a little 300. Oh, nice. Well done. Very good. Yeah, those good news candles you can really pass one day. Midnight, I was halfway through the combine yesterday at the end of stream, then got chopped up afterwards, and then today I had like $1,300 left in drawdown, and I got bottom tick stopped out right there right before news, and so I reset. So it's just kind of annoying. Yeah, Austin, I think you either need to buy data from Bookmap, or I think you can get through like Topstep, or I think you can get a second connection of data, I believe. V Gates Meister, bit late. Don't like the wicks on the 5 minute. Yeah, I don't like the wicks either. They're kind of gross. I'll maybe consider shorting right here. Wait, bro. Wait for me. Trade. I mean, I'm trying to get... I like getting limit entries just because I usually don't have to sit and draw down as much, you know? It's just a better entry. But then you're always at risk of just like not catching the move. I'd probably target 81 or so if I can get filled. What I don't like about this trade is it is the bottom of this range, kind of. So I'm gonna take it off. Let's reassess here. Nelly, have a good camping trip. I could easily see us going pushing higher off here. Forget about this trend line. I mean, it's just a range. So I don't really like initiating these shorts here. We're at 800 here. Like, I kind of am interested in buying down here. I think, you know, we've bought up 70. Bought up 80, so I'm gonna wait and see what we do down here. See if the buyers are still engaged. It's right at VWAP, so to me it makes an interesting long, but I don't know. Maybe this is maybe buyers are just like, all right, well, that's it, pal. That's all you got, and it's not enough. Configure orders, double click. Roger, thanks for the... It's under general settings like this, or to be under specific chart settings? Create order, double click. And now it might screw me up. Let's try that. Thank you, Roger. That's awesome. Yeah, see, I love Motive Wave. Stuff like that makes it so easy. And I really like having a concentration of Motive Wave users live in chat who can teach me things. I think that's really cool. Roger, really appreciate it. That's a nice feature. That's exactly what I've been wanting, because I'm always like scrolling on the DOM, and then the DOM will move to keep up with price, right? So sometimes I'm scrolling down to find my limit, my entry, and then I click, and then price, but the DOM like snaps back, and then I'm like have a limit right where we are, and I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. So that's what I wanted, was the double click there. That's awesome. Thank you. Totally Trading, what's up? Yeah, thanks for swinging by. Feeling better. This looks good for longs to me, guys. I don't know. We got 2.5 minutes on that candle. I just don't like the 15-minute, but I mean, we are still preserving a bit of an uptrend, so the buying down here is pretty nice. The problem is, where's your stop? Your stop is below, comfortably under VWAP, like 70 maybe. But we did wick off there earlier, so maybe you want to get a little underneath that. So there's not really a great stopping stop out. So maybe it's just like buying off VWAP is the better move, like buying 80s, something like that. Look how fast that was. I'm canceling that though. I'm not overly convinced just yet. Volume has been, you know, we had some excitement with old J-Pal. You know, now we're kind of back to normal. Well, there's 800. 800 held, so we might be in business. There might be a long up to 80s again. Should be a nice little move there. 50 points from here. Try long here. This is going to be a pretty quick stop out. I kind of hate when I'm like, when it's just like instant. I kind of hate just being instantly wrong. Like, it wasn't even close, you know? I'm just like, wow, I'm just way off. It's not like I hit like 10, 15 points of profit and then I reversed. It was just like, nope, you are wrong, sir. All right, so there's VWAP. Let's see if anyone's interested down here. Getting some volume, getting a little volatility injected here. I don't mind flipping, you know, flipping bias here to the short side. Standard 800 probably is what I would look for under VWAP. All right, well, we're swiftly moving lower here. Okay. I'll look for maybe a retest or up to 60, something like that. Just pivot tap. No, if it turned, Topstep's not hard. It's just, this is just a bigger size account. So to make like three times the profit. It's not hard though. But just stay disciplined and wait for the right opportunity and put size on. It's not a big deal. What's up, Maul? How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. I was just way off sides here. I did not. The sweep of the highs, I think, and then just buyers just kind of drying up. It's good. Damn, we're just sinking. I hate not catching waterfalls. That's my favorite thing to do. I hate when I don't do that. So this is a 50-day moving average. This is 690 demand zone. Looking for a little bounce here. Maybe short IBL here. 700, 705. ES is hitting its pivot. Don't go chasing raw waterfalls. Hey, I chase the waterfalls, but before they turn into waterfalls. I'm chasing the stream before it falls off the cliff. Initial bounce low, Matthew. ORL on here is its opening range low on this chart. Oh yeah, I can just double click. See if I can get filled up there. Who was the one saying not to short? I don't know. Who was it? I mean, you know me. I'm always down for either side. It's just I like to get a little confirmation. I wanted a bigger pullback. Not getting it. Not getting it. Have a great weekend, Matthew. You ever backtest? Yeah, I'm a big proponent of backtesting. Got any plans for the weekend? Yeah, tomorrow's Rachel's birthday, so we'll do a little something for that. And then I got some work to do for my other channel. I got to get 2 videos done in the next handful of days here, so I got a lot to do. So now, you know, it's like I want to be short, but I don't really want to short the lows. Hope this gets super nasty. Yeah, I'm down for that, you know. Still got them Q puts. We trade PM session? Depends. Probably not. On Friday, I don't normally like to. I feel like stuff dries up and it gets trappy, and it's really not my favorite time to trade. Yeah, yesterday was fun, Joe. When we got that drop, it just kept going. I like it when it does that. It's fun. Got a gabagool. I gotta take a quick pee break. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. Sorry, just feeling a little moody right now. I hate not catching waterfalls. Just feeling a little apathetic about things. Oh yeah, that's a nice pump. This pump is not harshing my vibe at all. It's actually pretty sweet. Let me in, market. Let me in. Guys, I can't afford to put on good music right now. It costs too much money to put on my cam. Was this high school, Dan? It wasn't this. Wasn't. I did dye my hair black at one point, but it wasn't this well styled. ES back at VWAP, guys. And Q at the pivot. Guys, just so you know, emo does not mean emotional. It means emotive hardcore. It started out of the hardcore scene in Washington, D.C. A lot of people don't think that. They just think it's like dashboard confessional. Well, guess what? It's not. I'm gonna short the pants off of this, guys. I'm shorting the pants off of it right now. I'm shorting the girl pants off this. Hang on, guys. I gotta journal this trade. Dear Diary, today I took a short on NASDAQ at 702 and a quarter. My mood? Apathetic. I think chat will never take me seriously as a trader again. What should I do? Am I gonna have to take Grizz out of my top 8? Anyway, that was a long pee break. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, I do have an emo brother. His name is Emo Steve. He's visiting right now, so if you hear any like crying in the background, it's probably him. Oh yeah, I've not used Bookmap lately. They had those like market maker bots or whatever that were just like I wasn't really getting any use out of it. I was just taking a lot of screen real estate for nothing, so cut it. I don't know about this trade though. Steve kind of hot though. I'm gonna have to start wearing that wig around the house now, because Rachel likes it. I think I'm fucking on the wrong side again. I'm just having like, I'm just not. None of my trades are really working out. All right, Tom, have a good weekend. Enjoy yourself. Stopped out. The turn, MACD doesn't show oversold. I think I give it 2 shits what MACD says. TJ, yeah, it was. Still like shorts. We are close to VWAP. I want to see if that can act as some resistance. I'm tempted to put the short on again, but jeez, I've just been... Every trade today has just slapped me. Let's go. I mean, let's go again. Bit early? I don't know. You know, to me, could we come up to VWAP still? Yeah, absolutely. We also are tightening here, so we could flush. So that's what I'm looking for. If we want to come up and test VWAP, all right, so be it. I'll step out of the way. But I like the ascending little triangle or whatever. See, there's the flush. So that's what I was trying to catch earlier. It's just like, I feel like 3 times today I've been top ticked out. I'm tempted to add to it, but I mean, after getting slapped around, I don't want to be, I want to see how this closes first. These are the waterfalls I really like to catch. There we go. Ricardo, you think I'm going to like the 34 EMA? Why, for pullbacks or something? Hop out there, just get a little bit back. May consider hopping in again. Let's see how this plays out here at 700. That was a nice little tap of the 50-day again. Trend line on the lows. Yeah, that's a good idea, Joe. Wick to wick, you think? Or the tighter one like that? I tend to like the tighter ones when it's such like a standalone wick. So I would still like, we could still easily, yeah, right at the opening range low, move down again. But this could also be a higher low, so I don't want to get too myopic with this. But a short here could be really good. Let's see if 706.5 holds. Okay, 706.5. Is it going to hold his resistance? If it does, I might reshort this as VWAP on ES. Sounds good, Joe. Again, I mean, we're still like pretty heavily green on the day. 7.75% up on the day here. I already retraced this candle, so to me it's pretty bullish. As much as I would like to short this. That's not what the market's telling me. I know there is a gap on Qs, yeah. But this candle's gonna close, in my opinion, it's gonna be a bullish hammer. So here's VWAP. I think I might have to play the long side if I want to take any more trades. Broke trend line to the upside, yeah, I see it. I might buy 30s or wait for a break and hold of VWAP, but to me it looks like we're either gonna chop, I think, or move up at this point. I don't know. That's what it feels like. I would really love to short, but I just don't think it's on the table right now. All right, so I will look for this candle to close strong, relatively strong at least, and then the following candle to retest VWAP, and if that holds, I would consider buying. Careful, Wolf. I mean, I hope it works out for you, but careful, because, as I've said, it seems like more uppies. Alyssa trades. I'm not related to Steve Inskeep, no. Okay, looking to see if VWAP can hold. All right, I'm in. I tend to like a strong candle through VWAP and then like a little mini bull flag starts to form, like a little 3-bar pattern. Like I tend to like taking those longs. We do have some decent volume on that move up. Hex codes for the candle colors. Yeah, I could see if I could. They show hex on Motivwave? I guess. Volume is pretty dry. Yeah, I got you, Joe. There's just not momentum right now. I don't really trust this to hold, you know, with the original stop loss. I'm just gonna take us off a break even because we're lacking that momentum, that follow through. Volume's low, so I'm out there, break even. ES is like fairly close to its highs of the day. NASDAQ is about 100 points. But just gonna watch here. I mean, we could still get a nice down move, like the 15 minute. Like if this 15-minute candle, if this candle here, the top of that, the 27s. I think if we hold there, another down candle make a lot of sense. I might consider shorting if we get back under VWAP, and you know the 5-minute likely will be engulfing if we do that. So just gonna watch here. Yeah, Grace, I don't know about that. It has a nice retest of VWAP at the moment, but again, lackluster action on both sides for the moment. What's your favorite ice cream? That's where we're at in the market right now. We can talk about food. Favorite ice cream. My favorite ice cream flavor, cookies and cream. Or basic biatch. It's delicious. I tried a Mars bar ice cream. I don't know. I feel like I haven't. All right, Jacob, have a good weekend. Mango ice cream? I don't really like fruit flavored ice cream as much. Jason, yeah, you can rewind the stream and watch. I was in long right here before news, and I got bottom ticked out. I ended up resetting this combine, so I've not really had a good day, to be honest. It's been very blah. Just, couple, like one winning trade, probably just one winning. Did I have any other? Maybe one winning trade, one break even. Just like a lot of just offsides. Just offsides trades. It's a little frustrating. Cookies and cream, but from a place that actually adds cookies, like they're like Colson. Yeah. There's this place in Chicagoland called Oberweis. And they shoved that thing full of cookies. It's awesome. Still doing Apex? No, I'm exclusive with Topstep now, and the timing worked out. I was pretty much done with Apex, so sticking with Topstep now. Yes, it does, Mason. If you have the order flow version of MotiveWave, you have built-in trade copying. Order flow version or higher. This does seem like it's going to pop, but it's just the volume is so dead. It might be worth the risk. I don't know. I'm gonna put risk on. I think we'll get the pop. So I'm gonna give it a shot. And then again, we get back under VWAP, then I'll probably look for the short side again. How much does the order flow version cost? I think I split it up into 4 payments of $175, so it can be kind of pricey. All right, looking for the pop here. Pop, pop, pop. Pop it. Poppity pop. Poppity pop. Do it. Push. Give me something. Can I get at least like 20 points? Is that too much to ask for? All right, Andy, have a good one. Have a good, oof. That's gross. I might hop out of this one. I'm hopping out. That looks gross. I don't like that rejection at all. Gross, gross, gross. Yeah, they're flushing through VWAP now. They could close below. I'll short. This is tough trading conditions, in my opinion. We're kind of all over the place here. Well, we might not close below VWAP. It's annoying. Daily loss was $3,000. Momentum does seem to be to the short side. We can get some volume in here. Got a double topped here on this swing high. $15-minute candle's about to close here. Doesn't look especially bullish. Okay, I like this for a short. Yeah, Joe, I'm targeting the bottom of this here, bottom of this trend line. Also 700. Think we still pop? I don't know. I mean, we had plenty of opportunity. Kind of little flat top here on a swing high that didn't even get to the previous swing high. So it's a lower high double top. So to me, I've seen this happen a million times where we just rotate back down again. So that's what I'm looking to see. Look, if you think my short is offsides, by all means, to do what you see. You know, I've been wrong almost every trade today. So, what the F do I know? Gains Hunter, you think we're gonna take those equal highs? I don't want it. I don't want that to happen, guys. I am looking for this flush to happen soon, so I'll kill it early if we don't get it. Exclamation point music, it's my own music that you're listening to, but if you type exclamation point music, you'll get a link to the Spotify playlist. Looking for the flush. Here we go. Come on. I want to see it on in the next minute or so here. Hashtag DFD. That's right. Drop for Dan. Let's go. Ah, come on. Might not be happening for me. 5 minute looks a little bit more bullish than I would prefer. Yeah, I'm still. I moved exclusively to Topstep. It was either not work with Topstep at all or only work with Topstep. And again, I do like Topstep the best, and I've had the best experience with them, so I just decided to go exclusively with them. Well, not getting the flush just yet. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Get through VWAP. Yeah. Yep. One exclusive, yeah. When I use footprint or order flow for your trading, I just don't read it very well enough to get any value out of it. People read it well and they take really great trades that I can't see from candlesticks. So I would like to, I would like to learn order flow better. Guys, I think we might get this push now. I don't like this 5 minute at the moment. Holding VWAP, obviously. This could be, in a lot of ways it looks bull flaggy, but I take a look at the 15 minute. 15 minute looks a little bit more bearish. So we'll see, I guess. I don't like that at all. I don't like that. Just so many times VWAP's holding. It's not really boding that well for me yet. I'm trying to be patient with it. Oh, that's not my song. Any music about your music creation process? Maybe like one, but it wasn't really that good, to be honest. Yeah, no, if I've made videos about music and stuff, it might take a little bit of the fun out of making music, right? Like when you have to make YouTube videos, it turns into work. So I try to keep music just one thing that I don't really worry too much about making videos on. If you stop, don't wait to reverse your bias. Yeah, I think this short's gonna play out. I do. Thinking's not good enough, obviously. Just thinking, but it does seem like it can happen. All right, this might be the breakout to the upside here. These candles suck. The volume sucks. It's all shitty. Have I read Trading the Zone? Yeah, I have. What are your thoughts on it? I think it's a nice one. Nice book. What are we even doing here, guys? What are we even doing? Bunch of baloney going on here. Use volume profile will help you. I've tried volume profile. Yeah. I don't even know if this trade's worth reversing, to be honest. I mean, unless we get some volume in. I got my hand on the reverse button in case we do break out to the upside, but it just might be choppy chop fest and no real, you know, breakout in either direction. I might have to kill this. This isn't even on good volume. Nice boost. A little bit more volume there. All right. I got to call a session. This is just, I've not seen the markets well today. Shitty ass trading. So enough punishment for me. You're going long? No, you should go long. It's a breakout, so. I mean, F it. Should I just take this long? Should I just tilt a little bit? By 800 maybe. It's just like that was like the only bit of volume we've had in a while. Don't do it. All right, I won't do it. All right, guys, I'm gonna end things there. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys Monday. Peace.